We got a beautiful story. I'm tired. Hi, Jam family. We're in the car again. This time we're excited to invite you to some cousins. Justin's and Sadie's cousins that they've been hanging with from Monday night. And we're going to the lake. I'm a bit excited too, to see what they call the beach. Just a lake with sand. Just a lake with sand? Yes. Okay, we'll see. We'll see for ourselves. I'll wait until I go to Jamaica. You wait until we go to Jamaica. I wonder when that is. I do wait at which we're going is another 3 years for you, my friend. Sure that. Well, see you there. Hot dogs time. Oh, go to the bathroom, mommy.
No, it's going to roll on my head.
No. You're going to be rich.
They're going to be rich?
What I say when bird do to palm people?
Mercy. You must turn millionaire. Because it
Oh,
was
no.
a little thing. The bird just
Look at the bird.
No, it's bird. Oh no.
I hope they sleep on the more people.
Andrew. Mark, you have to pick up the dirt, man. You have to make Justin do it.
No, just go to
Justin,
the
Justin, go check out
Justin,
some
take
more.
water. Mommy, just
Running. No, it's not running. It's dry. It's, but that's your feeling.
No,
it's
because
dry.
it's also wet.
I know, but it's not running.
What's on the top is what was drier.
Rinse it out, Justin.
I'm just telling you my bird already. Look at this. I should take it off my head. I should take it off everywhere. I want it full like my phone. It's full. Not really there.
What's in here?
Now we have to perform operation with that bird.
The bird is amputation. So now we have to borrow a bucket from someone.
Boy, you know what that means?
What it means, Andrew? What happened when bird poop on?
Riches.
Oh, true.
I'm your blessing. Carry your blessing from them.
Tell you.
That's what Andrew said, Kerry. Say it means riches.
Riches, carry.
They want to come on in there. Let's hear it.
A good thing I carry share only one with
Why is it
here we
only-
can take bird poop in there.
Yeah.
What would happen?
Oh, thank you.
Or Sadie.
I stood right here.
If it was mine, I
Or
would
me.
Keep that. you. I can feel it.
There's so many shells.
Wait, what I do,
I'm only going
Andrew?
in this one.
Another one.
Where?
Sally, watch your house.
Justin.
Huh?
No, he's standing on something.
There's a bank there. No, but we have beach here. Is your God go to?
Yeah, but this is not. This is an ocean. This is not a lake.
It's a lake. It's Lake Ontario.
Smarty.
It look like sea. Big man. It's Lake Ontario. You go 400.
In what way?
Never sa niya. Kita tingin. Just na.
Jay, look, I said, my time I take you from down in Jamaica to know what a shirt you know.
Maybe I only one me have. I'm just a poor guy. Maybe because it's my favorite.
Your favorite shirt?
Sometimes I'm very much a big man.
Turkeys.
You know what you want?
What is that? Oh my goodness.
You guys got it?
Yeah, that's my son.
Oh, they're different poems. And you're a dad?
You like points?
Yes. And I got a poem for dads. A poem for young people. I guess for young people. I have to take pictures because I don't have any time. Oh, can they? Okay, but I think the lakes are the ones by Geneva, Union Springs. Those lakes that are like this. This is a Great Lake.
Now, this is one of the Great Lakes,
Yeah.
Lake Ontario. But then the river flows into the lake.
This one.
So over here is the river,
Yeah.
and over here is the lake.
Yeah.
Oh. And then what's behind there? So there
The
is
side is still the lake.
still the lake.
Yeah. I think they do that so the water doesn't mix in.
Yeah.
I don't know. Or it's also dock.
Mm-hmm. But not many boats are out.
True.
And it's summer. Isn't it the holidays?
It is. I think around here people don't really go out with their boats because there's not. You have the beaches, so they can't put their
You
boats.
can dock.
Yeah.
Jet ski.
So is it the month? It's the month, then the day, then the year. Is that how you know the significance of this?
I don't know what the significance of it is, but a lot. You can see them lovely, you see them lovely together.
Mike, cool. Yeah, that's what we were. Hey man, not cool. Not cool. Jenna and Dad. Logan.
I was talking about how he was trying to be vulnerable.
Dustin, why are you so loud? That is terrible. Yesha. What even is Yesha? That's a bad name. Maybe that's her name. Yeah, why? That's somebody's promoting their hair business. He
said I don't.
Okay, that's very smart. Oh! Someone was trying to write it. It's a kid.
Sadie Tation.
Oh my goodness. It's S-T and A-T. Yeah. That's you for sure, Sadie. Don't listen.
Why is Tony everywhere?
Hey guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Mommy. Bye-bye.
It's dead, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it, so I was wondering. I said,
Oh, you saw it on the way out? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wednesday treat.
Yes, delicious.
Yum, yum. You're dripping again, Sarah. You have to start quickly.
Oh, this is interesting. What is this?
Oh, it got some.
It hardens.
Yeah.
Ew, it looks like.
Follow you.
In 1 kilometer, take exit 21 on the right to Niagara Scenic Parkway and then keep right.
Awesome sauce.
Yeah.
Andrew, you're going to get some wonderful pictures today.
Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, yeah
This are not even nothing grand.
Whoa. Oh, so cool.
I know, right?
What the stuff?
Huh?
On the crane.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Beautiful.
Hi, Jam family.
Hi, Jump family. Guess where we are?
Niagara Falls, but not in Ontario, in
We're
New York.
in New York. Lovely
And
scenes to see here.
yes, thank you for jamming with us on Jamming with the Richards.
No, no, no.